Hey everyone, got another unboxing video for you. I decided to pick up another Pirates 2 TC-8, the ZD Racing touring car 1/8 series or 1/8 scale rolling chassis. I had a bunch of spare parts and decided, since I did with my first one, turned it into a rally car. Decided that I'd pick one up and keep it as a touring car. So let me get this cut open. And one thing I wanted to point out, Banggood actually shipped a sealed box. Not like my two ZD Racing Thunder short course trucks. But yeah, let me cut this open and show you what's in the box. So just cut the tape, opening this up for the first time. And what do you know? It looks pretty clean. Check that out. Let's take out the manual. We have servo savers, manual, touring TC-8 touring car, Pirates 2. Here we have the spare parts. There's the motor mount, stock pinion gear, another servo saver, screws. I did a video on how to sort these parts. Same will apply, so you check that out if you do get one of these. Now on to the main. Let's see how this body came in. I know some of you guys have been having some trouble with their shipping as well. One thing I do love about this TC-8 is how it comes with the body pin washers to kind of protect the body. You know, I reused them for my other RCs. But let me pull this out. I'll get it on the box so you can get a better look. Here it is. Got it on the box set up. I'm going to go ahead and pull these body pins and give you a look on the inside. Shouldn't be too much. Oh, should be the same as my first unboxing video, but who knows. So it's interesting that that post is this way versus this one, which is this way. So there's a little assembly difference right there, but I can probably fix that. There is a little bit of a damage done to the body, but nothing broken, so I'm happy about that. I can deal with that. Banggood is not willing to resolve my broken short course truck body. So you know I purchased this from them again, but I can't recommend them. So if something bad happens, you know, it's kind of good luck. So they're not offering any solutions, and they keep giving me the runaround. So I am closing up my orders with them. This is one of my last that I've ordered from them. I'm just waiting for all the delayed shipments and back orders. Here's the thing with them too, is they say they have something in stock, and then next thing you know, it takes 2 to 3 months for them to actually get it in stock and ship it, and then it takes another month and a half. So good luck. So yeah, I'm just tired of them, but happy that this one came in okay. And looks pretty straightforward. You'll need your servo, you'll need a motor, ESC, and battery, and your receiver transmitter to complete this. This one, pointing out that it does come with the plastic spur gear, and there's nothing wrong with that. Just get your mesh correct. But I wanted to mention that they do offer metal spur gears for the 1/8 scale, and I believe this is a 48 tooth, and there's a 60 tooth and a 46 tooth, which are metal. I do have one on the way that I'm waiting on, so I can swap that in here and get a little bit more speed going. But aside from that, there's a little blemish on the front bumper, but not a big deal. It's not from the wheel rubbing. These are really cool. they're really similar to all their other 1/8 series chassis. The difference being just certain components. You'll notice differences in these support bars. Some come with metal, some don't. You'll notice that some of them come with a metal steering arms or caps inside. So it's just, pay attention to the descriptions and the images to see which version you're looking for and want. The MT-8 that I killed actually did come with a lot of beefed up components. The drawback of all the metal is that it makes it heavier. So if you're doing jumps, you'll likely bend on bad landings, which is what happened to mine. So, figure out what your application is. Plastic's not bad. And yeah, aside from that, I am pretty happy with this chassis. Sorry for the rambling and venting with Banggood, but I did want to give you my honest feedback on how they are and how they handle issues, order issues. So I will let you know what I have in mind for this once I decide, but it'll be along the lines of a 40 series brushless motor, 120 150 amp ESC. For the road, I probably will stick a gyro receiver and transmitter to keep it stable, but I'll do another video on that later. Thanks for watching, and really thanks for all the support. And I'd love to see all your guys' builds. I really appreciate all the chats and exchanges we have on the comments. But yeah, definitely checking out those videos, and I like seeing what you guys do to your RCs too. All right, thanks.